Most middle-class families don't stay stuck because they earn too little. They stay stuck because of invisible money traps they don't even realize they're walking into. Today, we'll uncover 7 hidden money traps that quietly steal wealth for years. Money trap number 1. Lifestyle inflation. Every raise feels like permission to spend more, but your savings barely growl. The wealthier you appear, the less wealth you actually build. The solution: increase your investments every time your income increases. Money trap number 2. Living without an emergency fund. One unexpected expense can destroy months of financial progress. Without cash reserves, credit cards become your emergency plan. The better solution is preparing before life surprises you. Money trap number 3. Making only minimum debt payments. Interest quietly works against you every single month. The faster you eliminate high-interest debt, the faster your money starts working for you. Money trap number 4. Trying to time the market. Waiting for the perfect moment usually means never getting started. Time in the market beats timing the market. Money trap number 5. Buying things to impress other people. Most people are too busy worrying about their own finances to notice yours. Real wealth is often invisible. The truly wealthy often prioritize assets over appearances. Because assets pay you, appearances don't. Money trap number 6. Never investing because you're waiting to earn more. Small investments made consistently can grow into remarkable wealth. Starting early matters more than starting big. Money trap number 7. Not having a financial plan. Without a plan, every paycheck disappears. A simple system beats perfect intentions. The goal isn't to make perfect financial decisions. It's to build habits that make good decisions automatic. Middle-class families don't fall behind overnight. They fall behind through small decisions repeated for years. The good news: changing just one habit today can completely change your financial future. Start with one trap, fix it, then move on to the next. That's how real wealth is built. Subscribe to BayanIQ for more smart money insights. Watch the next video to continue your journey toward financial freedom.